Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about trying out the latest iOS 27 beta, this video is for you. Beta software gives you early access to new features, but it can also come with bugs and unexpected issues. Before you install iOS 27 beta on your iPhone, here are 10 important things you should do first. Every year, Apple releases beta versions of iOS so users can test upcoming features before the official release. While it can be exciting to experience new updates early, installing a beta without preparing can lead to problems such as app crashes, battery drain, and data loss. Taking a few precautions can make the experience much smoother. First, back up your iPhone. This is the most important step because it allows you to restore your data if something goes wrong. Second, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 27 beta. Not all devices support the latest software. Third, free up storage space. Beta updates are often large and require extra room for installation. Fourth, update all your apps before installing the beta. This helps reduce compatibility issues. Fifth, check whether your important apps such as banking or work-related apps support the beta version. Sixth, charge your iPhone to at least 50% or keep it connected to power during installation. Seventh, write down important passwords and account information in case you need to reset or restore your device. Eighth, understand that beta software may contain bugs, performance issues, and unexpected crashes. Ninth, consider installing the beta on a secondary device instead of your primary iPhone if possible. And 10th, join Apple's beta program properly and download the update only through official channels to ensure security and reliability. Those are the 10 things you should do before getting iOS 27 beta. A little preparation can save you a lot of headaches and help you enjoy the new features safely. Remember, beta software is designed for testing, so expect some rough edges along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, iOS updates, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.